Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move stocks on M1 Finance. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and transfer over some stocks from a different brokerage onto M1 Finance. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to M1 Finance. Then click on Invest on the bottom hand side. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Transfer an account to M1. Now here you need to select what you need to transfer. So which asset? An entire brokerage, part of a brokerage or IRA, or 401k. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and transfer your stocks on to M1 Finance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.